Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly draw a key icon in Illustrator. We'll first start by creating a circle using the ellipse tool. I like to start in the center of my artboard as often as possible. And then I'm going to copy and paste this in place by hitting Command or Control C, followed by Command or Control F, depending on whether or not you're on Mac or PC. I'm going to default to Mac users for now because it's just a little bit convenient for me. But if you do have a PC, you'll be using Control rather than Command. So what we'll do is copy and paste that second circle directly in on top of the existing circle, and then we're going to shrink it down till we get a center circle that is feels like a good weight. And then what I like to do is then create a rectangle that is the width of the circle from interior to exterior. What you want to do is also make sure that your line stroke is center. This way your actual widths are more true to form rather than them judging by the outside. You end up with some weird things overlapping. So then I'm going to create a long rectangle from here. Then I'm going to create 3 rectangle shapes of equal size to this long stem. So I'm going to Command Command C, copy it, paste it in place, and then I'm going to rotate it. And I'm going to place this down at the bottom, and then I'm just going to shorten it so it matches the length here. And really, it's just a matter of creating your own key shape from here on out. So here's a simple design. If I invert these colors and fill in with black, all I need to do is select the 2 overlapping circles and use shape modes - front. And now I've got an awesome little key. It's pretty simple to do. Really like this simplicity, and all of your widths are pretty much the same. If you wanted to take this even a step further and be really pedantic, you could copy and paste, create the space in between the 2 teeth of this key to be equal weight, or to be an equal size, and you've got something that also feels really strong. And then you can take this from here and duplicate it, making really quick revisions. If you wanted the key to look a little bit differently, you could duplicate the circles, create 3 of them, make sure that they are equally distributed by using the distribute objects, vertical distribute center. See, I was a little off. Pull this out, put this right here, make a nice little triangle for it. Try and get as close to as possible so you don't have any strange overlaps between the circle shapes interfering with the counters of the individual shapes, and then make sure that's centered. Now you've got some opportunity here to play with these shapes a little bit more. This key design can be bigger. You can also make these smaller. You're going to end up with different size widths for the circles and the actual stem portion of the key. And I apologize, I don't actually know key name, like the parts of the key, but I'm assuming this is the handle or the turn maybe. And then you can go from there. Another thing I like to do is combine everything using shape modes unite. So you unite everything, and then you can select using the direct select tool. You can select points that you like and then round off those corners so you can get a bit more of a turn, like a soft edge to things. So it gives it another look. And if you want it to be even shorter, you can I like to use the direct select tool a lot, select my points, and you can change the individual width of the total key. So this is pretty cool. And again, you can get more and more complicated with this as you need to. It's really up to you. So thank you for watching. This is a very short video, and look out for the next one. I'm not sure what I'm going to make yet. I want to just try and keep it simple and keep it easy to follow and understand. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to draw something specific, and I'll add it into my queue for the next video. Have a great rest of your day, and be sure to check out some of the other icon videos I've been creating. There's not many yet, but hoping to make more and more quickly over time. Thanks again.